Best results online. Your digital marketing agency. We are going to show you how to increase your Google stars by many times.
To start out, I will show you why Google stars are so important to your business. And I am also going to show you how to boost your star ratings fast. I'm going to give you a strategy that can increase your sales by 19%. And all you have to do is ask your customer one simple question. I am going to show you some case studies to show you how to get results in 48 hours. And increase your online reviews. It will not take any additional effort, and this strategy works on mobile or desktop computers. Let's start by looking at the biggest shift in consumer buying in the last 100 years. How many reviews does a consumer look up before making a buying decision? The answer is 10. How many reviews, less than 6 months old, does a business need before the customer will trust them? The answer is 6 to 10. In other words, without 6 reviews, your business is not trusted online. Did you also know 97% of young adults read online reviews before a major purchase? And 98% of all consumers read online reviews for local business.
Reputation marketing has proven to increase business sales by 19%. You only have to increase by 1/2 star rating.
This chart shows 3 different types of businesses. We used over 100 businesses for this study. If you were looking for a product or service, which group would you shop at? 55% would go to the company with the best online rating. 27% would go for the cheapest price. And 18% would buy from the company with the best search engine results. Your reputation is more important than product price, or how much you spend in search engine results.
Here is the last question for you. How does a business build their reputation on autopilot? Answer! Get your prospects and customers to electronically sign in before you work with them.
Create a 5-star sign-in strategy. This sign-in strategy will increase your reviews. It will create mailing lists to contact your valued customers for specials. It will increase your 5-star reviews.
And it doesn't matter what kind of business you're in. Home repairs, car repairs, lawyer, restaurant, medical office, hotel. Any business. Whether your customer comes to your office or you go to their home. Depending on your type of business, we can change the header on the tablet. Sign in if the customer is leaving soon, like a general store. Sign out if the customer is leaving their property with you to fix it, like a tailor, a jewelry store, or auto repair. They would sign out when they are leaving with their property. Or, how about sign up to win? You can have a drawing for a gift card, for example. The goal is to just say to them, please sign in. You only have to ask the customer one question. Would you please sign in? They only have to fill in their name, email, and phone number. If your store is very busy and you can't talk to the customer, just print a QR code. Make it easy to find, near your cash register. People love to scan it. When they fill out the form, they don't know we are going to ask for a review later. You have to decide where we will put the review. We can make the reviews go to Google, Facebook, or any other review site that you choose. After a few weeks, when you get plenty of Google reviews, we can change the destination to any other review site. Here is the meat of the program. About 4 hours later, after they fill out the form in your store, they will receive a text. The text says, would you recommend us? Choice is yes or no. Why a text? Not an email? 54% of those who get a text leave a positive review. If they do not respond, we will send another text tomorrow, and again the next day. Most people will respond to a text. If we send an email, the open rate is only 12%. Most people delete just from the subject line. When they click yes, they do not have to go to Google, find your page, and leave the review. Very time-consuming process. When they click yes, we are going to take the customer directly to your page on Google, so they can click a star and write the review. If the customer had a bad experience in your store, they might click, "No, they will not recommend you." If that's the case, we don't want them to go to Google to leave a bad review. So, we take them to a page we cleverly call the negative feedback page. This page says, "What went wrong? Who was at fault? Can we remedy it?" And when the customer hits submit, this form, along with their contact info, goes to your email. You can call the customer and do whatever it takes to change the bad experience to a good one. Maybe you can give him a gift card for the next time he comes in. You cannot change his review, but the customer that left the bad review can go to his Google page and change it. It is so much easier to fix a customer than to get another customer to replace them. How about a beautiful feedback form for your website? Here is the one we will give you. It will show your good reviews as well as allow a customer to write one now. A reputation system like this is like word of mouth on steroids. Adding only 1/2 star rating will increase your sales by 19% per year. And all you have to do is ask the customer one question. Would you please sign in? What is the guarantee? What is the investment?